What's up, everybody, from Koh Lipe in South Thailand, almost to Langkawi in Malaysia. It's a beautiful island, really small, but right in the middle of this national park of huge islands. So you take these day trips, these boats here will take you to all these little islands around. It's really beautiful. I did it yesterday, had a really nice snorkeling sites and all that stuff. I have a video coming of that. I'm Jason Rupp, learning to walk and talk. Let me show you this beach. They actually call it Bondi Beach and nickname it Pattaya Beach, oddly enough. But it's because of the shape of the beach. It's kind of a nice bay, really picturesque. And I guess it rhymes with Bandaya. Bandaya, Pattaya. This is the Charina Beach Resort. Really nice views. And then they have, oh look, here's a little gathering of like some dried coral and stuff. Well, dead coral. There's a nice wooden bridge here that I want to take you guys on and show you the views. Isn't this cool? Koh Lipe doesn't have so many tourists right now, which makes it an amazing time to be here. This is March 2022. Well, right at the end of March 2022. 26 or something like that. When you're on a holiday, sometimes you just lose track of the days. Thai people often go in the ocean with their clothes on. Not just Thai people, a lot of Asian people. Just an interesting observation. This place gotta have the best views around. Really nice. Let's keep walking. Oh, look at that. Look at that bird out there. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's just chilling in the water there. Definitely looking for some fish to execute in his mouth. Beautiful views, right? I like this time of the day. It's right about 4:30 right now, and it's gotten a bit cloudy. It's not so hot, which is good for me because I got way too much sun yesterday on that day tour. I took the long day tour, which brought us back like about 4:30 or so. Well worth it for 750 baht. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. And let me know what you thought about it. But let's keep going because there's another beach around the corner here that I haven't been to yet. So we'll discover that together. Check out that Charina Resort. Definitely the best views here. That's where we're coming from. Beautiful, isn't it? All right, let's keep doing it. Nuchi! Hi! Oh, you looking beautiful. Do you like it? Sanom Beach. Wait, is this it? I think this is it. Sanom Beach. This is the little beach that we were thinking of I don't know. We'll find out. This is exploring Koh Lipe. Now that's a nice house to have. Oh, now this is getting even more beautiful. Let's look back where we came from. Hi.
Hi.
Nuchi's pretty quick, but I can't go that fast, or else the camera's gonna be all shaky. You think this is it? I think this is it.
Why it's small one?
Yeah, this is really pretty. Let's walk to the end. So for any of you watching, if you've been to Koh Lipe, let me know. Or if you've had friends or family that have come here. It's definitely a popular place, you know, pre-pandemic. Nowadays, slow and peaceful. I think there used to be more of a party vibe here, a lot more scuba diving and things like that, but it's still happening. Just at a very much smaller size. And it's a small island anyway.
Yeah, is this it?
This is it.
Yeah.
We did it. Nuchi, look at you. You got quite a tan. Looking pretty.
You cannot go down because of your shoe.
Alright, I'm gonna get in anyway though. I'm gonna take my shoes off. There we go, another Asian person going in the ocean with their clothes on. Alright guys, I think we're gonna end this video about here. There's some kayakers in the distance. I got wet. I just got wet. A little bit. You almost lost your slippers. It's the ocean. You gotta, well, look at me.
Jason, oh my god.
I made a mess on my shoes.
Can I say Sanom now?
Okay, Sanom na. That means
You deserve it.
you deserve that. All right. Thank you all for watching. Wish you peace, love, health, and happiness. Anything else to say, Nuchi?
Love you all. Bye bye.
Oh, she got dry lips. All right, see you next video. Bye, guys. Love from Koh Lipe.